everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of your LATOKEN account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and get to the LATOKEN.com website. If you're logged into your account and if you'd like to log out of it, go to the top right corner and click on your profile dropdown. In the expanded menu, click on the logout button, but before hitting on logout, make sure that you remember your account's credentials. Once clicking on logout, you will be redirected to the main homepage for LATOKEN. If you ever want to get into your account, you will then need to enter your email or your phone number that you chose while registering and follow the prompts. So that's how easily you can sign out or log out of LATOKEN.com with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.